Kausapin naman natin ang tagapagsalita ng AFP na si Brigadier General Domingo Tutaan Jr. Magandang hapon po, Brigadier General Tutaan.
Hi, good afternoon. Magandang hapon, Mark.
Opo, kamusta po ang sitwasyon, sir? Ang kare-report lang sa atin ni JV Francisco, yung aming pong reporter doon, ay wala namang putukan sa ngayon, kundi negosasyon lamang. Ano po ang magiging papel ng militar kapag ganyan na ongoing yung negotiation ng local government?
Doon mismo sa sa incident na nangyayari, ang ating kasundaluhan, especially our units on the ground, are working it out with the Crisis Management Committee convened by the local government unit. As we were saying since this morning, Mayor Beng Climaco Salazar convened the Crisis Management Committee, and they are the ones talking with the armed group as far as the situation is concerned. So we are supporting that, and we are appropriately advising the mayor about this. But at the same time, the AFP is also ensuring that the other areas within Zamboanga Peninsula and in Mindanao as a whole, wala tayong spillover or untoward incidents of the same nature.
General, hindi ko na ho kayo tatanungin ng inyong galaw at ng inyong mga tropa, baka makaapekto sa inyong effort to bring back peace sa lugar. Ang tatanungin ko na lang ho, nakumpirmahan nyo na ho ba, General, kung ito ay talagang mga tao ni MNLF Founding Chairman Nur Miswari, sapagkat si Chairman Miswari ay hindi pa naman lumalabas para ho akuin itong pag-atake?
Well, those were the reports that we have, that this group, the Miswari Breakaway Group, intentionally went there to Zamboanga City purposely to raise their flag. And that is the reason why the ensuing incidents happen. Prevent natin yan sila. And the armed group was contained in Santa Catalina in Zamboanga City. Ano
pong ibig sabihin sa tingin nyo, General, ano gusto ma-accomplish? Kung halimbawa maiwag-iway nila yung kanilang flag, bakit nila gustong gawin daw yon?
Well, I really don't know the main objective on that, on the specifics. But ang ating conditions, kasi hindi naman pwede po yun. Dahil we are an independent nation. Iisang bansa lang tayo, isa lang din ang ating bandila. And that is the reason why this was prevented. And more in particular, they were armed groups, so hindi to pwede. So the necessary actions were undertaken both by the PNP at saka ng AFP on the matter.
General, may report po na di umano ay bago ito mangyari, natunugan na raw ho ng otoridad yung plano na ito at yung pagkilos na ng mga tao sa Basilan at sa iba pang lugar. Ano po ang ginawa ng militar nung matunugan nyo ho yun para mapaghandaan ho yung ganitong pag-atake?
Yes, you're correct there, Mark. There have been reports as early as 3 days ago on this, although these were not specific actions na recorded, but the thing is that it has been monitored that they will be undertaking something, and that is the reason why last night we were sending our maritime patrols, and that resulted into the encounter of Riondo Beach sa Zamboanga City. Na ikinamatay nga ng isang sundalo at saka limang wounded na sundalo. And from there a series of events happened, and because of our efforts already may initial assessment na doon, we were able to make sure that na-contain lang natin sila doon nga sa Santa Catalina area.
Panghuli na lang po, General, gaano ho kalawak yung kaguluhan na yan para ho doon sa mga hindi naman taga Zamboanga City o hindi pa nakakarating sa lugar? Gaano ho kalawak yung gulo na yan para ho mag-shutdown tayo ng airport at saka ng Pantalan?
It's like this, Mark. Zamboanga is a very big area. It has more than, I think, if I'm not mistaken, more than 50 barangays. But the thing is, the decision made by the authorities at BIS, yung local government unit, was preventive or proactive para hindi po tayo magkaroon ng untoward incidents wherein meron tayong mangyaring collateral damages or causing lives of civilians and other properties. Kaya I think that was the reason in doing so. This is contained right now, the incident right now is contained in the areas of Barangay Santa Catalina, Barangay Talon-Talon, and Barangay Santa Barbara. It's not the whole barangay naman, but this is where the situation is evolving right now doon sa area na yon.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa oras niyo, Brigadier General Tutaan Jr.
Maraming salamat din, Mark.